What's up, everybody? Welcome to or welcome back to Hothead Productions, the MMA channel of unpopular opinion. Do me a favor and click some buttons. Alright, just had to grab a little bit of fuel before we go out magnet fishing with my buddy Dave. How's everybody feeling about the price jump on the fuel? Let me know in the comments. Alright, welcome back to Hothead Productions. Whatever this outdoor series is going to be called, Dave's going to help me come up with the name for the series. He was just telling me. I thought that was a gopher for a second.
There's a lot of fat.
That was a good gummy. Thanks for that.
Yeah.
So we're going. We've had some candies, and now we are going magnet fishing. We're on the road here, and I got my crazy friend Dave driving, and we'll check in with you guys in a bit. Like, comment, and subscribe.
You want to see some magnet fishing glory,
right? Or I don't know. That's a lot of pressure to put on us.
Yeah, or not. It could be not. Maybe. Most likely not.
All right, we got here. We're close to the spot where we're going magnet fishing. We're at the pond here. I saw on Okanagan Falls News and Events page on Facebook that there was actually a big-ass bear here a couple days ago. So we're just keeping our eyes open just because we don't want to get eaten, mostly. And yeah, we're going to go out and do some magnet fishing here. So give us a comment. Let us know if you've done anything like this. You ready to go magnet fishing, Dave? Say that that's a regular fishing pole. Oh shit. All right, we're here, Okanagan Falls, British Columbia. The good old train trestle bridge. It's like you're recording and you forget how to fucking talk sometimes. Out here in OK Falls, British Columbia, getting ready to do some magnet fishing. This is where everybody does all their swimming in the summertime. If we don't have any luck at all today, then maybe I'll go swimming, but hopefully not. There's a certain way Jade likes to open his box.
Missing gloves, folks.
Alright. That's what she looks like, eh? Well, that's a good sized fucking magnet for sure. Would you say it's rated for, allegedly?
1,300 pounds, but...
And this is some kind of para rope or whatever?
Yeah, paracord.
So as long as we don't let go of this, we should be able to pull up whatever is down there. I'm thinking the way the tide usually moves, the way people used to throw stuff off is, see, the old bridge used to be right here.
Bridge to where?
No, the old jumping board.
Oh.
Right here. So we're gonna want to throw right down here because people used to throw all their bikes and shit in the water.
It's nice to find like an old BMX.
Yeah, man. I'm stoked to see what we can pull up here. And I guess here, before you launch that in the water, that's what that's for. Oh, perfect.
So then you can't lose it.
Nice. All right, so Dave's just put use the eye of the rope here, bringing the magnet through, so he's gonna have the rope attached to the pole. We got one hand. Makes sense, very smart. Alright. Going for the first throw of 2024. Dave and Darcy magnet fishing, plus that bird that just flew by. Look at you, you're like a cowboy and shit. Yeehaw! Just don't hit yourself with that fucking thing. Nice throw. Yeah, our first throw. Now let it drop, let her go. Wonder how much depth we got down there right now. That should be a good spot. People just used to check this shit off. Don't try to let it, like, we want to like let it be as close to the bottom as we can while we're getting it up towards the trestle, you know what I mean? Oh, this is like gambling, man. My heart's racing. Shit! Hurry up, throw it again! Better put all these cards away to lose something. Alright, we struck out on our first throw. I'm fucking addicted to this shit already. He's gonna go on the other direction now. Nice throw. Just let it drop. Drop it like it's hot. Up it. I'm already addicted. So I'm thinking we do a drop by those posts there. Can't believe that we've already had like hit nothing on 2 throws. Well, I was thinking we drive my car in the lake and then we see if the magnet will attach to my car.
I want to get like a ton of these.
But no, we'll do all the things Dave wants to do, I guess, today. Fuck, nobody likes my ideas. Let me know in the comments if you think I should park my car in the lake. Oh shit, he's getting better. That was nice form, Dave. Nice form. Oh, I got a good feeling about this. We better not be cleaning this lake up. I'll be pissed. Back in my day, this lake used to be dirty as shit. You gotta remember, you want it almost dragging on the ground, otherwise if you... Okay, perfect.
All right.
I was thinking I could do like the Dave cam or something like that too for your footage or something like that.
The smoke went out like 2 hours ago. We'll just get a bite.
No, that's not what it was. I think the trick is really like having the patience when you're bringing it in. Because like every time you give it a hard pull, it's doing this under the water and over the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, you kind of got a little.
I can't wait for the first big hit. I just like something I just can't pull it.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna cry.
Yeah, when it becomes like, yeah, exactly. It's just like fishing, I imagine. I honestly like don't fish like at all, so I just saw this.
We haven't even tried the other side yet.
Yeah, so I was like, yep, buy one. Done.
So far, this side's been more. Oh, I guess it's been kind of 50-50. I mean, 50 we did. Back when I was younger, when I lived out here, I used to crawl all over this guy, monkey around all on the underside of it. She's seen better days a little bit for sure. We're either gonna find something on this side, over by the highway, kind of closer to the bridge, we'll call it, or we're gonna find something over on the lake side over here. What side do you guys think we're gonna get the hit on? What do we got there?
A nail.
Fuck off! We already had a catch and we didn't even realize that we had a catch.
And then like some.
I guess looking at the magnet when we pull it up would probably be a good idea, hey?
Well, if there's nothing substantial.
No, but it's still,
You'll
that's
find
still
it.
our first find though.
Yeah.
At least we have a start. Now we can make the video regardless now. It's official. That's definitely antique too.
Oh yeah, that's
All right, the master at work. Yeah, go over this way. I don't know.
Watch your foot.
Fuck it. I'm ready to go. He'll lead you. They'll lead you. It's got goddamn motherfucking cold outside. My fingertips are feeling like shit. I just wrote that.
I'm surprisingly
Oh, trying to get these little birds on. A couple little birds fly. Oh, do we got something? Right? Right? Well, there's a lot. You're on the bridge now, probably. All right, let's detach it from here. So we've done 5 or we've done 5 or 6. We can still see all the gear. Oh, that's all right. All right.
Ready?
I haven't done drugs in forever. Disclaimer. Neither of these YouTube channels promotes the use or condones any kind of promotion of drugs whatsoever. That being said, come on, man, we gotta get something. I'm fucking ready for our first hit. This is worse than drugs. I'm fucking hooked. I need a shopping cart, goddamn.
I saw the best meme yesterday.
I'm fiending for a shopping cart harder than the fucking junkies of Penticton. Oh! You have got some salad, my friend. Didn't need a treble hook for that shit. Woo. Do we got anything on there, Dave? Oh! We got a railroad spike. Woo, my dad will be stoked to see this video. An actual railroad tie spike. I've never had a long one. We used to collect a whole bunch of them up from up by what was it, Shoot Lake. Nice find, bro. Dope. I was starting to get nervous that we weren't gonna get anything, man. Dave, I told you, I was like, we gotta move over to this spot. What did we get? Was that your first throw or your second throw? Second throw. He got this nice, I don't know how many 6 inches that would be to most guys, but it's about 13-inch railroad spike. Fuck, nice work. First catch. Definitely just do the same thing that you just did. That's a nice score. Nice, easy. Wasn't hard to pull out.
Yeah.
It's worth keeping.
Feel it.
Something you could put into like a fucking piece that you're into a fucking bench you make or something. You can inlay it into something, polish it up.
Absolutely. Take that thing.
Piece of the KVR fucking railroad.
I think it's from like this bridge, probably.
Yeah, but this used to be, originally this was railroad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess right.
That's old railway spike. Kettle Valley. Just like fishing, my hands were cold and I was fucking taking a break. Now I'm all fucking excited again. Hands still cold, but feeling you should try off like on an angle, like aim for that end of that pier. That's what the voices are telling me. Here's what we got so far. It's not a competition, Dave, but you know, including the stuff from before, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 5-1 for me. I mean, let me know in the comments if you guys realize it's 5 for me and 1 for Dave. We're getting lots of hardware down here. Is that a log down there? That light colored thing, is that a big log? Research this guy. Did you go on the angle or did you go more that way? Oh, you got something. You got more shrapnel. Oh, he's like, you want to have a competition? He's like, all right. I got a couple nails for you here. Oh, sure. He says he dropped one, but I think it was just one nail.
There you go.
It's not a competition. But Dave did get 2 on one hole, so I'm maybe thinking, 3 or 4 would be nice.
Hey, why don't we try the other side?
But it's not a competition.
Throwing it or walking?
Oh, yeah.
Walking. You're good, it'll go. Yeah, you're good. It's going. Remarkably, it's still going. Okay, hold it. Whoa, yeah. Good. That's full rope.
I feel like that's gotta be bicycle.
Yeah. So, like an old school 10-speed or something. Or a phone booth would be sweet. Like an old phone booth.
On a refurbished phone booth.
Fuck, man. Can you imagine pulling a phone booth out of this place? Fucking traffic here. What the fuck's going on?
What are we gonna call it too when we get an immediate hit off a throw and we don't, like, when you first go to pull it? We'll have to come up with a name for that too.
That's your first bite.
Oh, bullseye? Something like that. We'll have to come up with a name.
Yeah, that would be it. I'm guessing it would probably be a lot easier if you could see down there. Yeah.
Oh! I'm at least on some spikes or something. I got a hit.
Nice.
I got a bite.
Please don't pull up any feet.
I mean, I would like to get like 2 or 3 or 4 on at once.
Yeah.
Not for any particular reason. Just, I thought in the last few minutes, like, it popped in my head, I'd like to get more than 1 at a time,
Yeah.
So my friend Dave got 2. I got some shit on there. Alright. I gotta keep walking it though, because we then want to miss something right below me here. I'm addicted.
Oh yeah, it'll swap in.
Second guessing my every move. Alright.
What else would be something that would be just fucking awesome to get down here? Like an old VCR or something. Like, just why? That's great.
Railroad.
Oh, nice. Yes, we have something.
When I say I got a hit, I got a hit.
Oh,
got something
shit.
else on there. There's
Yeah.
all weed. No, nail.
This also concerns the shit out of me. This bridge is falling apart, I think. But
Oh! Yo!
fucking nuts and shit.
These nuts! Shit!
Oh,
And
that's nice.
this one I want for myself. That's
Oh, yeah.
sweet. That's
That is
that's an
pimp.
old school fucking nail.
Yeah, man, that's nice. Man, yeah. Look at that.
This is a fucking hell of a haul we're getting today. Then what if they lost their bike? What if they didn't get their bike back? Right? Like if I rode BMX and I wanted to get rid of a piece of shit bike, that's what I'd do. I'd use this fucker right here. Nice little cove over there. It's shallow over there. After we could do here, we could go for a little walk ahead there and see what's in the. We can literally see what's in the water. And like I said, if we came on a sunnier day, we could literally see right in the water. Oh, yeah. 1 sec. I zoomed in too much. Okay. Did it still make the water? At least it didn't land on the bridge. I thought you were gonna land right on the bridge for a sec.
I like the idea.
Good throw, Dave.
Love the idea.
Hey, it took us a while to have our first silly throw, so we're doing good. It's our first time out here magnet fishing, guys. I think we're doing pretty good. Thanks for coming along. We're in Okanagan Falls, British Columbia today. Skaha Lake. Ooh, it's that big bird up there. Kind of a falcon or an eagle up there. Somehow I actually got it on film. See how Dave did over here. That's a full rope. That's our second full rope of the day, motherfuckers. You gotta let people know when you get a full rope, you gotta fucking sing it to the high heavens. We got a full rope. Typical guy. He always likes a full rope. Yeah, that looks pretty tight. That looks pretty tight.
Oh, shit. Remember that spot.
You're basically, you just throw a gun and aim for that post at 6 out there. You're gonna want to overthrow. Yeah, I guess you could just walk over. You might still have something on there. You might have pulled something out of the dirt or something. Yeah, that line looked tight.
When you open up the magnet fishing case, there's a hook in there. So just be careful. And it's like, just jump out.
Weeds. Oh, it was a bunch of weeds.
Just dunk it back in, clean it off. Give it the old, yeah, plunge, look at the nails, fucking done. Yeah, the nails.
Your magic touch again.
Just
Tired.
go for it. Oh yeah, that's good.
That's my shit right there.
That's fucking beauty.
That's the Darcy throw.
It's way out there.
Darcy choke, so now there's a Darcy throw too.
Nice. Wow.
I didn't create the Darcy throw, but I did create the Darcy throw.
It's good to know what you mean. That's cool.
I think the trick is really like having the patience while you're bringing it in. Because like every time you give it a hard pull, it's doing this under the water and over the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, you kind of got a little.
I can't wait for the first thing again. I just like something that you just can't pour it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Is it a quarter?
I can't tell. Maybe a quarter.
Even though that wouldn't be like enough.
This is so cool. Oh yeah. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Especially
It is actually, I like it.
if you fished before, like it's game over. It's just like without the fucking. Oh
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like trying to feel for a bite and everything.
Yeah, exactly. It's great. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's like fishing. Fucking awesome. Now, if it's in the sun, that would be quite lovely.
That was fucking
Yo, what is it? Whoa, that's a big fucking, big rod, ass. Deal. Nice. Oh.
Fucking yeah, buddy, a big
Big
one.
ass boat.
Not tired of the little spikes, so I got us a big one.
I guess, bigger loop thing.
That was way
Oh yeah.
It's caught in the crossfire.